Life doesn't come with a handbook. Not for being a father or a mother, not for being a husband or a wife, not for being a brother to a brother or a sister to a sister, not for raising children, and most definitely not for understanding each other. As you can see, this is a new channel. So if you're looking at the numbers, you'll probably notice there aren't many views yet. You know what? And that's okay. Because this space isn't about chasing noise. It's about taking a moment to think about the parts of life we often only understand much later. Our parents getting older, children growing up, relationships changing, the things we wish we had said, and the quiet realizations that life slowly teaches us. Sometimes these reflections will come from our own life, and sometimes they come from simply watching the people around me. But almost always, they come from the same realization. Most of us are just trying to understand each other a little bit better as we go along. So, if you happen to find this channel early, welcome. And if something here resonates with you, then maybe you're exactly the kind of person this space was meant for. And if you'd like to explore these reflections a little bit deeper, you can also find the book of your life below.